Hey,
Hello.
first real meal here at Seoul. Here in Seoul. At Seoul Station.
We got Loteria. First time to try. Get the shrimp burger.
I got the chicken burger.
Okay.
And then Hershey's hot choco. How about you?
Pepsi. Zero.
Pepsi. Interesting. Show them the ice.
Crunchy ice.
Look,
Crunchy ice. Bichub ice.
walang chubais dito. Okay, let's taste it.
Try it.
Salted ba? Unsalted.
Solid ako.
Yep. Matamis na. Tamis yung patatas nila.
Okay, kain tayo. At magkamukha lang.